طيب بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. So we continue with weekend 4 inshallah from level C Qur'an. For level C Qur'an. So let's start reading Suratul Falaq inshallah, the surah, the dawn, the Suratul Falaq, which is just like the Suratul Nas. Alright? So we're going to start from the beginning. Just pay attention and look carefully how do I pronounce the letters of this surah, okay? Again, the meaning of the surah and when was revealed, you have to look in level C Quran, which you have it with you inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق. You see, قل أعوذ, same thing. قل أعوذ, no say zu. برب الفلق. You see how I stop with the qaf, because the qaf has from the letters of qalqala, so I have to make that echo sound. Al-falaq. Al-falaq. Don't say al-falaqa, falaqu, falaqi. No. Alright? Listen carefully. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. Falaq. You have to say this. This is a strength letter. So we release the echo after the qaf. Don't say قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. Falaq. Falaq, like without a. Alright? قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. Very good. Noon followed by sheen. You see, we remove the sukun because we hide the noon on the sheen. Same thing, like we did in the nas. Min sharri. Min, see my mouth? Min sharri ma khalaq. Min sharri. Ra, light. Min sharri, don't say sharri, sharri, no. Min sharri ma, sharri, don't sharri, no rotation, vibrate. Min sharri ma khalaq, okay? Kha, heavy, la, light, qa, heavy. Min sharri ma khalaq. Again, qalqala on the qaf. من شر ما خلق. 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 You have to add this, okay? ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. Now also bias from the qalqala letter, like a qaf. We have also add min, same thing, we hide the noon on the shin. This is called ikhfa. وَمِن شَرِّ غَا. Don't say غَاسِكِ, no, غَا. You see, غَا. Look my mouth, غَا. Because the غَا is from the heavy letters, okay, like a خَا. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبْ. Very good. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. Pay attention. وَمِن, the mouth is on the shin. Don't put the tongue. وَمِن, no, the noon, you see, doesn't have sukun. So we hide it. وَمِن شَرِّ, and jump from the ra, kasra, to the noon with shadda, then fa with shadda. Be careful, huh? وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. Hold the noon, hold the fa. After the hold the noon, pronounce the fatha, then hold the fa, pronounce the fatha with alif, okay? وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. Don't say فِي الْعُقَدِ, no, فِي الْعُقَدِ. Ain with dhamma. Fil uqad. Dal also has a qalqala because it's from the letters of qalqala, like a qaf, ba, and dal with sukun. We pronounce qalqala with sukun when we stop on the sukun. And last ayah, وَمِن شَرِّ, light, كسرة. وَمِن, hide the noon on the sheen. إخفاء, same thing like we saw it. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. حَاسِدٍ إِذَا. We do not drag the tanween. حَاسِدٍ, that's it. Don't say حَاسِدٍ إِذَا. No din. No. حَاسِدٍ because of the hamza. This is called إظهار. We're going to learn. Alright? Very important. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. إِذَا حَسَدَ. Very good. Alright? Practice this surah. Very important. Alright? Let's go now to the tanween fatha. Tanween fatha. You remember we learned fatha, kasra, dhamma. Now we practice tanween fatha. Tanween fatha, as you see it, has alif on it. All the time tanween fatha has alif, most of the letters. Then in a ta'nith doesn't have alif. In hamza by itself doesn't have alif. But as you see, we're going to learn the reason why we have alif, as you see it, because when we stop on it, we have to stop with mad. Hasanan, in Qur'an, if I stop, hasana, haraba. If I continue, then I pronounce the tanween. But if it's on the ta'nith, this, or like here, then the tanween is deleted. The tanween fatha. And also the ta, turn to the ha. Nakhiratan, if I stop, nakhirah. Nakhirah. You'll learn that in the Arabic language, but also we're going to pronounce it in here. So we have ban, one, ten, than, jan, as you know, okay? But when we stop, we pronounce this like a alif. Ta, fathatani, ten. We say ta, fathatani, ten, 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 yes? Ten, as we know in Nuraniya, yes? For example, we have hasanatan, ha fatha ha, sin fatha, sa, ha sa, nun fathatani, nan, hasanat, hasanan. Alright, then we read it. Hasanan, hasanan. Alright, so you already learned these letters. Han, khon, han, khon, dan, then, ron, zan, san, shan, son, heavy, don, heavy, ton, heavy, dhan, heavy, an, gha, heavy, gha, ghan, fan, qan, heavy, yes, kan, lan, man, nan, han, wan, yan, tan, and an. All right, very good. So as we have here, hasanan, or if we stop, hasana, haraban, abadan, ajaban, ahadan, alaqatan. If I stop, alaqah, you see, remember, that's why there is no alif here, because we delete the tanween and also the ta. We only leave the ha. Alaqatan, yes. Tabaqan, tabaqan, tabaqa. Hasanatan, hasanah. Inaban, inaba. Nakhiratan, nakhirah. Duhan, duha. Rajulan, rajula. Hudan, huda. Lubadan, lubada. Kutuban, kutuba. Kufuwan, kufuwa. Yes, nudhuran, nudhura. Suhufan, suhufa. Iwajan, iwaja. Quratan, quratan, qurah. Quratan, qurah. Alright, you already know this stuff. We're just looking on it as a review. Alright, so inshallah we're going to continue next class, weekend 6 of the Qur'an, which is the review of Suratul Falaq. Alright, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.